रिकॉर्डिंग ब्रदर जस्ट एक कुछ क्वेश्चन विचारूंक सोदता आमकां आमी तुमकां चड त्रास करपा ना मीटिंग जाली ICM कितें जालें
CMO बरोबर मीटिंग असली along with guard members and the consultant आणि Dr. राजेश पाटील असलो CMO ती मीटिंग आपयली to discuss the issues with guard and he has agreed upon almost all the points of the demand and meeting ended now.
Doctor, one more thing, their main demand was that minister has to apologize in casualty.
Yeah.
That also is accepted.
To this, CM is saying that he is willing to come to the casualty and talk.
He means it.
He himself.
CM
Yeah.
so CM will be coming there
He said, he is willing to come. He is coming. Means he has shown his willingness to come to casualty.
But minister will be not coming.
That part is not been
Because
discussed.
the main demand was that minister should come and apologize in casualty
Yeah.
in front of camera.
Yeah.
So that demand was fulfilled.
No. To this, CM is saying that you should be, accepting his as the head of the state. He will be coming to casualty
so can I go pala
So
tomorrow. He said he is willing to come. That's all.
सो तुमचं आता हे किती असतलो फुडलो नेक्स्ट स्टेप किती असतलो तुमचं
First
प्रोटेस्ट
step
चालू
is to
असतलो
protect GMC. To see that GMC functions normally.